Welcome to AG2K. All right. So in this specific tutorial, I'm going to cover the new log drum instrument. Right? This one it is called AG2K B3. So basically, with this instrument, right, it is a log drum and a sub bass together. So for example, I'm playing. Oh, oops. I should start from here. Right. So you can have the sub and you can take it down and you can change the log drum type here. So for example, hear this. You see? Let me just turn down. You see? Let me just turn down this sub here. So we have this log drum and then we have this one. And then we have this one. You see? We have this one. Cool. So I'm saying you can just add a bit of sub in that log drum, and you can add bit of extra low end, just like this. Like extra sub to it. And yeah, of course, this might make the sub to sound a little bit of a higher octave, so kind of. You see, if I take it down, it becomes deeper. So if we have it this one all the way up, it's gonna be like this, something like that. And yeah, of course, we do have a bit of spread, like it's like a chorus effect, and dry and wet for that, just to affect the sub. You see? And then we do have the filter, just to play around with the filter here. So this is the filter cut off like the frequency, and then we have the shape of the filter. So this green goes together. So we don't have, it's brighter. We don't have filtering going on. We don't have anything filtering going on. And then yeah, of course, we can make it smooth, just like that. Cool. And yeah, of course, we do have like attack, and we do have volume, LO4 and LO4 amount, and we do have something like a sustain. Yeah. Of course, there are some siblings presets that you can mess around with. You see, let me just scroll down. You see, this is what I'm talking about. You see? You see? Of which you can use, let me tell you when to use this and when not to use it. This log drum instrument rack, I think to me it's nice for the pre-bass section, whereby maybe you're just like having maybe a simple log drum before the log drum starts to have more notes. So maybe simple things, just that's why I have it on this specific project as maybe when my log drum starts to banging like do, then that's when I will introduce a different log drum instrument, right, which is this one, right? So this one, it is called AG2K log drum B2. So let's have a listen to.